Hey guys, I'm Infamous One here with a very short video on how to run your Windows 10 basically a little bit faster. First you have to go to your task manager, then startup. As you guys can see, I have 4.7 second startup time. So for that you just have to select that app or item you don't use regularly. Just select that and disable it. As here I'm disabling this Java update. And if you guys have many applications here which you don't use regularly, just select on it and disable it. It will help you make your startup time a little bit faster. And the second option is clean your RAM. For that, just Google RAMMap, and from the very first option here select RAMMap and download this 291 KB file. Wait for a second. And after that save this file, open the folder and extract this RAMMap. After extracting, just open this RAMMap application. As you guys can see, this much memory is being used by my system. These are the processes. For additional, just search here resource monitor. And to your memory section, you can see I have 717 MB standby memory, 64 MB modified memory. Just go there and empty standby list. And you guys can see my standby memory has been freed. You guys can go again and empty modified, and my modified is being cleaned. And if you need a lot of memory, just go there and empty working set. So as you guys can see, your memory has been cleaned. And guys, make sure if you like my video, just share the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. God bless.